In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Calendly step by step. Connecting Stripe allows you to collect payments automatically when people book your meetings, consultations, coaching sessions, or other paid services. First, sign in to your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the Integrations, Apps, or App Marketplace section. Now search for Stripe in the Available Integrations list. Click on Stripe and then select Connect. You'll be redirected to the Stripe sign-in page. Log into your Stripe account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. Next, authorize Calendly to access your Stripe account and process payments. After the connection is complete, you'll be returned to your Calendly dashboard. Now go to the Event Type section. Select the event you want to charge for and click Edit. Scroll down until you find the payment settings. Enable payment collection and choose Stripe as the payment method. Then enter the amount you want to charge for that event. Review the payment details carefully and save your changes. From now on, when someone books that event, Calendly will require payment through Stripe before confirming the appointment. The payment will be processed securely through your Stripe account, and the booking will only be finalized after payment is successfully completed. Before finishing, make a test booking to confirm that the Stripe checkout page appears correctly and that payments are being processed as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected Stripe to Calendly and enabled automatic payment collection for your bookings. And that's how you connect Stripe to Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.